Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking shrimp chop suey or mixed vegetables with shrimp stir fry. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll put the dish together, heat up a pan, add in a suitable amount of oil, about 1 tablespoon or so. I'm using medium heat so you can do the same. Swirl the oil around a little bit. I have with me over here 1 whole yellow onion cut into wedges like this. I'm just going to use half of this just to impart flavor to the oil. Put it in. The other half I will use it for the dish later. Add in also 4 cloves of garlic chopped. You can use lesser or more if you like more garlicky taste. Put everything in. I'm adding in also 80 grams of carrots cut thinly like this. Just throw everything in. Mix them all up well. We'll fry them until we can smell the beautiful fragrance coming out. I'm putting in my carrots first because carrots take a little bit more time to cook and I want my carrots to be really tender. Once we can smell the beautiful garlic fragrance, we'll add in our corn. I'm adding in also 100 grams of young baby corns cut like this. Just throw everything in. 60 grams of fresh shiitake mushroom sliced thinly. Put them all in also. Mix them up. Now this dish, the name is known as Chop Suey. I believe that it's being derived from the Cantonese word Chapsoy. So this is actually pretty popular in US or in the Western Hemisphere. Mix them up a little bit. Now we'll add in water. Add in 300 milliliters of water. Mix them up well. Of course you can use other vegetables. No problem. I'll be using broccoli and baby kailan later also. For the seasonings, we will need half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and if you want, you can add in a few drops of dark soy sauce just to make the color better. Mix them all up. Sprinkle a bit of white pepper. Mix them up again. Put the lid on and we'll cook this for 3 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 3 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, look at how pretty this is. Now we need to season this a little bit before we add in the rest of our vegetables or ingredients. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Now we add in our broccoli. I have with me over here 120 grams of broccoli. Just put everything in. I am also adding in 80 grams of prawns, deshelled. Right, just pour everything in. Put the lid back on and we'll cook this for another 3 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. Another 3 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Now they are cooked already. Now we add in 80 grams of baby kailan. Just put them in. Mix them up well. We'll cook them until they are soft. Once the baby kailan goes limp, we'll add in the rest of our yellow onions. Put everything in. Add a little bit of cornstarch solution just to thicken up the sauce. Just a little bit will be fine. Mix them up well. And now it's time for our lunch. Beautiful. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. The fragrance is really, really nice. Let's try the shrimp. Very crunchy, very good. Broccoli. Tender and yet slight crunchy. I love this. Kailan. Oh. The sauce has coated the vegetables very, very nicely. This is really very tasty. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching And now it's turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. 哇，不错。